about the exam strategies and the preparation that is required for the upcoming NEET PG and FMGE exam. So for this upcoming NEET PG and FMGE exam, you must be target oriented. You must dedicate adequate time to the major subjects, as well as not neglecting the minor subjects as well, which are having less weightage. So major subjects like medicine, surgery, pathology, physiology, obs gynec, these are to be given definitely more weightage, and proportionately you arrange. So at least I would recommend 2 major and 1 minor you study on a daily basis. So maybe 2 major you can study like 3 to 4 hours you can allocate for each of the major subjects, and maybe 1 to 2 hours for one minor subject at least. You should be doing like psychiatry, anesthesia, and all those things. So do the revision in a proportionate manner, and be target oriented. Solve lots of MCQs. Time bound test should be taken out to reduce the anxiety, and join our 10 days crash course in pathology. So as you know that pathology is a subject which connects with medicine, surgery, with pediatrics, with obs gynec. So you will find so much of commonality with these topics. So proper understanding of pathology will help you in those subjects as well. And here we are giving you target oriented study material, flashcards, mnemonics, all the high yield materials are handy with you. And here we are giving you lots of MCQ tests, practice tests to gauge your understanding, and not to forget that there are doubt clearing sessions. So 10 days, they are either in groups, or one-on-one sessions are also provided as per the need of the candidate. So don't think and don't wait till the last moment. Contact us now for the enrollment, and feel the difference and come out with the flying colors. Thank you, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.